When a damage claim needs handling, the process must be correct, efficient, and sustainable. This is CAB. When a damage claim enters CAB systems, we enable the buyer, such as an insurance company, to connect with a service provider, such as a healthcare clinic, auto repair shop, or contractor, chosen to attend to the damage. By creating transparency in the service's content and simplifying communication, our products enable superior cost control, process efficiency, and sustainability. And through our data, customers gain valuable insights. CAB's products are market leaders in the Nordic region. With extensive experience, local presence, and state-of-the-art technology, we provide highly reliable and secure tools. Curalink enables collaboration through booking, communication, and quality-assured invoicing of healthcare services for both humans and animals. MEPS is used for managing building damage repairs. Within MEPS, all parties involved in the project can plan, calculate, and communicate seamlessly. Kabas is a vehicle damage estimation and communication platform based on time studies of real repairs and vehicle design analysis. At CAB, we're striving to shorten the distance between buyers and service providers. When damage claims flow through our systems, trust grows and collaboration becomes smoother, benefiting everyone from the buyer to the end customer.